Hello there. An ominous looking skyline earlier in the day in Scarborough. The rain clouds gathering, and they've gathered in the north and the east. We've got thunderclouds gathering elsewhere, and it's turning increasingly humid. And that's because we've got low pressure sat in the Bay of Biscay, and it'll feed in that humid air. So a risk of further thundery downpours throughout the rest of today. It will feel quite warm between them with some brightness, but we've got quite a lot of rain to come from the north and east. So for Scotland and Northern Ireland, it's here where we'll find the best of the dry, bright and sunny weather throughout the remainder of daylight. But overnight, that rain spills its way westwards into Northern Ireland, to North Wales, to the Midlands. Yes, the thunderstorms ease for a time, but it stays wet for the Channel Islands, and it's humid. As I say, we've got lots of moisture around, so there'll be mist and fog quite widely, particularly over the hills in the rain, but even at lower levels across parts of the Northern Isles and the Moray coast. But that clears, and actually the north sees the best of the dry weather again tomorrow, but everything's tending to move further northwards tomorrow. So the wet weather that we've got currently sitting in the Channel Islands is making its way in across southern England through the course of tomorrow, giving way, yes, to brighter skies, but thundery downpours in there as well. Perhaps some heavy showers ahead of it as well, and a brisk and gusty wind, lots of misty low clouds. So some good breaks in the cloud, potentially northwest England, but notably, again, Highland, Scotland, northwestern areas seeing some decent spells of sunshine, because for Northern Ireland and the rest of Scotland tomorrow, it's looking cloudy with some rain. But temperatures are up, and that's because the air is humid. Now, those winds have been a feature throughout the day today. There'll be a feature tonight and into tomorrow, but they do start to ease just a little bit in the south later on. That's because the area of low pressure is starting to move its way northwards. So with it, the risk of bringing that increasing humidity and low pressure making the air unstable, so more prone to further heavy showers. But it's those southeasterly winds which will increase the humidity, not just by day, but of course by night. Some uncomfortable nights for sleeping coming up, and some heavy and torrential downpours. So very hit and miss rain, but when you do catch one of those showers or showery bursts of rain through the weekend, it will come down. There'll be some hail and some thunder, so some torrential downpours around both Saturday and Sunday with that low pressure close by, but temperatures in between getting up into the low to mid 20s, a little bit more like they should be at this time of year.